Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you bought that was difficult to use at first. Past tense. What is it? It should have been what was it, huh? So maybe you can speak about it in the past. When you bought it, what does it do? This is present. And explain how difficult was it to be used. So please, you can take a start.
Well, last September it was my grandmother birthday, so I
Can you speak in the mic? This
so
mic,
I
yeah.
decided to buy a cell phone for her. I searched many shops and mobile market. I also searched through the net to make a purchase. Then I decided to buy a phone, senior citizen cell phone. It was described that it had big buttons, big icon, and not too many functions. So I think that it was fit for my grandmother. So I placed on my order with Amazon, and my phone was delivered within 3 days. When I showed it to my grandmother, she was very happy and got excited to use it. And but it was difficult for her because of that. She had never used a cell phone before it. Then I teach her about the function and how you can use it, so that sometimes they were pressed wrong button and got frustrated about this use. And also I tried to teach her about the phone, that how you can use it, and that's why it was difficult for me and for my grandmother how you can use.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute and 35 seconds. Although they have given the same type of clue in the book, but it's a good idea if you talk about something which you bought for yourself, not as a gift. I mean, this is okay, but as the topic suggests, describe something you bought that was difficult to use at first. So if you talk about any phone that you bought for yourself, then the story would be much better. Okay, instead of gift for someone and like that. There were some grammatical mistakes, but overall it was fine. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. What type of products are difficult to use at first?
Recently, the product was manufactured with too many buttons and a function, so that they were hardly difficult for us to use this for the first time. So that the new things.
No, you should talk about the type of products that are difficult to use at first. You can say all the electronic gadgets, they are really difficult to use at first, especially whenever there is a new model of a mobile. Initially it becomes so just like that. Okay, let's go on. Do you think it is necessary to follow the fashion and use the latest products?
Yes, it is good to be up to date with the trend to use the new things, and connected with the trending things. Recently they were updated to you and to your life, and make much easier your life in working and the
okay thing. You should focus your sentence structure very seriously. Okay, do you believe that some products are over publicized?
Yes, but it is an area of advertisement and publicity, that if some advertisement is not happened, then the things are not in our mind, and then we watch the television program, then we see that the advertisement is coming again and again, and we remember that the thing is a product. And like.
Okay, this answer does not match with the question, and there is a serious clarity issue. I mean, what you want to say, that is not clear. Do you believe that some products are over publicized? You can say yes, why not? I strongly believe that there are many products which are over publicized, especially the mobile phones. You can see mobile ads everywhere, on TV, on the internet, in the newspaper, on billboards. So these type of products are really over publicized, and this is the massive marketing campaign, something like that, right? Yeah. Okay, one last question. Why do you think advertisements are useful in selling products?
Well, advertisement is a for selling product is much better because of that. When advertisement is greater than for any company, and then the product will make sell immediately, and advertisement will help them to selling purposes.
Okay, product will be sold. Passive voice will be sold immediately if the advertisers advertise about the product and all that. So you should focus your sentence structure. The way you are speaking at present, I'll give you only 5, but you can improve it, right? Thank you.